9th November 2020, an army officer, including 4 personnel, killed near LOC in a bid to stop infiltration. These kind of news are no different to the Uri attack, Pathankot attack, and several others at the LOC, LAC, and the northeastern borders. A very warm good morning to everyone. I'm Akshat along with my teammates, and our topic for this defense hackathon is smartization of anti-infiltration obstacle system. Anti-infiltration obstacle system, or AIOS, is a double fence consisting of concertina wires, a wall constructed between 2003 and 2005 by Indian government, but its degradation eventually has remained a big problem. The solution for it is definitely a new pilot project for its smartization. This upgradation that we propose here consists of multi-level security features with an amalgamation of embedded system and IoT. The system that we propose here has high tension sensitive areas firstly need to be identified where infiltration is pretty common. So in this case, for the first one, if someone tries to cross the border via a tunnel, then the vibration sensors that you can see here will detect its movement and would send an alert signal to the nearest army base station. Secondly, along with this servo motors, we propose that should be attached, along with the servo motors with having radar system should be attached. So what will happen is that the radar on the top will work on regular intervals and will scan the entire area and will prevent and detect any unmanned aircraft or drone movement in that area. Further, the main feature of this smartization system that we propose is our laser-based multi-stack wall consisting of lasers source at one end and the receiver LDR source at the other end. So what will happen is that it can detect any human or animal movement along with the depth as well as the exact location of infiltration and will send the information from the watchtowers directly to the nearest army station. So when this information is transmitted, immediately alarms and sirens will be turned on. And this information of the radars and exact location of the infiltrators will go to a cloud server from where the real-time location can be directly located and identified by the army personnel of those particular region in the particular shift, and immediate action can be taken place. Further, if someone tries to break through the concertina wire, a thin wire that we propose here should be connected at regular intervals. So what will happen is that whenever someone's trying to cut through it during night times or extreme climatic conditions like snowfall, they'll cut this wire as well, and the lights in that particular area will turn off, which will help the army personnel to identify in which particular region the infiltration has taken place. As you can see here, the laser wall helps us to determine the height as well as the depth, whether it's a person or animal, so as to determine the kind of movement and the velocity with which the obstacle is moving. We also believe that these kind of smartization of infiltration system, anti-infiltration system, can be used at high tension terrorist attack areas like airports, important government buildings, monuments, places of worship, and educational institutions.